Welcome to Linux Help. How to install Landing CMS on Oracle Linux 9.3. The Landing Page CMS is a content management system that is specifically designed for creating and managing landing pages. Landing pages are single-page websites that are designed to convert visitors into leads or customers. Check the OS version by using the below command. The OS version of Oracle Linux is 9.3. Install Apache Web Server by using the below command. Enable and start the Apache Web Server by using the below command. Check the status of the Apache Web Server by using the below command. Install Myriad by using the below command. Enable and start the Myriad service by using the below command. Install PHP and PHP modules by using the below command. Download Landing CMS by using the below command. Long list the files by using the following command. Unzip the downloaded zip file by using the below command. Move landing file to Apache root directory by using the below command. Now change the ownership by using the below command. Change permission type by using the below command. Configure the Apache virtual host for Landing CMS by using the below command. Open the host entry configuration file and enter the host IP and domain by using the below command. Restart Apache service by using the below command. Temporarily disable SE Linux by using the below command. Open the browser and ping domain name. Create new credentials by Go to CMS. Type the password and re-enter the password. This is the dashboard of Landing CMS. This is the process to install Landing CMS on Oracle Linux 9.3.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.